to the channel. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. So let's get into it. Who is this channel for? I will start by saying who this channel is not for. This channel is not for somebody who is just starting out in trading, somebody who is looking to learn how to trade. I will be trading ICT Smart Money Concepts, the 2022 model and the Silver Bullet model. I will not be teaching those models or those concepts. So I suggest if you want to learn how to trade those concepts, you go over to the Inner Circle Traders YouTube and learn them from the source. You'll get the most accurate and detailed description there. If you were to go and watch the whole 2022 model playlist, you could then come back here. He only did it doesn't have a whole playlist for Silver Bullet, but it's very straightforward. I would definitely, if you want to trade the Silver Bullet, also watch the 2022 model because he speaks on fair value gaps, which is what the entry model for the Silver Bullet is. I will not be teaching those models. I will only be trading them. This channel is for somebody who is trying to work their way towards consistency and profitability in trading. I intend it to be a model for more of the average trader. I want to fill the gap. I'm not going to be one of those kind of salacious, in your face, really flashy traders that I see on YouTube. I haven't spent too much time watching people live stream, so I don't know kind of what that landscape is looking like. But I feel like the people who I've been seeing surface to the top are very, very in your face and flashy. That won't be this. It's not entertainment. This will be I titled the channel the ICT Fundamentalist because it is purely just going to be me reading price, trading. You'll see, what PD arrays I value, my mindset on why I choose certain ones. You'll see, how I manage trades, how I manage risk, how I approach drawdown, because I'm definitely going to be taking losses on this channel. I don't plan on hiding that from anyone. I think that would be one of the biggest takeaways from this channel, is just seeing how profitable trading manages risk and manages losses, because there might be days where you go 3 days in a row and taking losses, and I might touch on the psychological, the effects of that, how to come out of that. And I definitely want it to be a realistic view of what the everyday day trader who is just broke through profitability and consistency, what that looks like. So this is for the people that might have been trading for a while and are still break even, and are just trying to find out how to cross that final barrier where now you've been doing this for a while and you know what you have to do, and it's really just crossing that final hurdle into consistency, into money making, and what that looks like realistically. Yeah. How this channel will work. I will be doing mostly live streams. I will be trading the AM session, and then sometimes the PM session. I will try and get on at least once every single day. It's not guaranteed. I will try and get on around 30 minutes before the market opens and just kind of explain, what I'll be looking at. I definitely mainly trade between 10 and 11. Might take a trade in the opening range, but I usually like to watch the opening range. Yeah. Start off with my strengths and weaknesses. My strengths: understanding narrative, understanding where we are in price. I think I usually have a good sense of the direction of where the market is going. not over trading intraday. We'll get to my rules in a minute, but I'm not somebody who takes 100 trades a day. I don't take 20 trades a day. My upper limit is 3 trades a day. So I'm not going to be slinging trades left and right on this channel when I live stream. The point of this is high hit rate trading, high accuracy trading. And what I eventually want to display for you guys is building the confidence around your hit rate, so then you can be more confident on putting more weight behind trades. So sometimes I usually take about 1 trade a day, but there are times when I might not trade at all. There might be times where I just hop on and watch price. Usually days before major news drivers. I don't like price action. I think for me personally, that's one of my weaknesses, is trading before things like CPI or FOMC. So I usually try and avoid those days. One of my strengths is consistency and just like finding setups. I noticed, what helped me cross the bridge into profitability was really dialing down my model and the rules that I'm going to show you in the next slides. Once I kind of outlined and really started following these, the whole outlining and then following them, there's a big gap in between there. But once I started following these, there was a big uptick in consistency. Weaknesses, second guessing myself. There's a lot of times where I'll enter a trade and exit a trade, and then it'll actually run in my favor. And I'm hoping that on this channel, just the fact that I'll be live streaming will kind of help accountability wise. I'm not going to enter and exit willy-nilly. Stop placement, that's always been a little one of my weaknesses. I like to rush my stop a little bit, just kind of speaking out into the open. It's something I'm working on. There'll be times where, I have the direction right and I have the entry right. And what happens is it draws down a little more than I had expected or given it room to. And that's always something in itself. Overtrading day to day. So I might not overtrade intraday where I'm taking like 10, 20, 30 trades a day, but I do want to get my trading eventually to where I'm trading like two times a week, 3 times a week. And yeah, so I do suffer a little bit from that like FOMO of, like that feeling like you have to watch the market every day, because when I go a few days without watching it, then I kind of feel out of sync. And patience. So patience, just because there are times when this was kind of more of an older version of me, but there are times when, if the market, I've noticed this is coming from my journal. If the market moves really quickly, I might take the quickest entry. So patience, that's an everyday like struggle. That's like something that a trader has to balance every day. Something I'm working on. I think I'm pretty good. I'm definitely at a place now where I'm confident to do this, live trading. But I wanted to call it out because anybody who says they have no weaknesses in trading is definitely lying to you. General trading rules. I'll just let you pause the video and read these. These are the rules that I follow day to day. If maybe I'll make another video, addressing why these rules are what they are. There's reasons behind all of them. Most of those reasons just come from ways that, I've myself have blown up accounts in the past. And I think, anyone who also says that they've never blown up an account or is transparent about that is also lying to you. That is, just part of the gauntlet that it takes to become a successful trader. But these are the rules that I will be trading. Again, I'm trying to model this off of what the average everyday trader looks like, not, I'm not gonna, like, not the Lambo lifestyle. This is like paying the bills, paying the monthly bills through trading. YouTube channel. These are my model 2022 rules. So these aren't specific rules that ICT has outlined. These are rules that I've given around the model 2022. They're rules. I mean, that if you follow all these rules, they do fall in place of the model 22. There's a little extra in here that I've given myself, solely because I've found that I have the most accuracy and consistency when these things are there. This is a very, very crude depiction of a model 2022. If you are here at this channel, I assume you actually know what the model 2022 is. You know that candle wicks are paramount in trading smart money concepts, and that's not displayed here. Silver bullet, very simple. Silver bullet is heavy on just understanding the narrative and where the draw on liquidity is. Something that I think I do very well. I'm very consistent with. So these are my two rules for that. Another crude depiction, very crude, emphasis on the crude. Back to the general trading rules. Again, so I will be trading through a demo account for the live. That's just for me to avoid legality. This is not intended to be like a signal service. I will not be selling anything. There will be no Discord. This is purely me kind of vlogging, trading, and again, just to kind of model what I think the everyday profitable trader should look like. Pay the bills trading, like we say. That's always the first step. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Yeah.